What was that?
I am a Gundam.
What's up guys, GundamFan, and welcome back to the channel. And today is a special episode for me. Episode, it's probably the wrong word. Video, entry, update, I don't know. It's a thank you. 251 subscribers. I hit a little milestone. I really appreciate it, and you know, I'm not going to go on bang on about it too much, but I just thought I'd like to say thank you very much. It's all appreciated. Voice is going a little bit funny again, I don't know why. Excuse me. But along with the thank you, it's a bit of an update of where I am with the wing Vercar. The wings are pre-shaded and primed. The weapons have been sort of sanded down, like all the seam lines sort of removed and stuff like that, and been washed, and they've been in the drying room, drying cupboard all night, so nice and dry, ready for priming today. And the shield and hands there, just awaiting the other bits and pieces. Once that's all done, once that's done and drying, I'm going to then do a base coat on the wings today, and then hopefully tomorrow, I'm at work. Let's see. Soon. That's as far as I can get when it comes to my planning. Soon, I'll then do the base coat on that, and then hopefully come next week, I'll be at the point where I can do the decals and the final top coat and do a reveal video. But that's really it. That's where I'm at today. Just a bit of an update, and a huge thank you to everybody. You know, all the likes, the shares, the subscribes, it really does help, and I really appreciate it all. And hopefully it'll enable me to, you know, keep bringing content to you, because there's a few projects that I want to bring out this year. Although I'm stripped by time, I've been a lot of my work, excuse me, a lot of my work is restricted by work and stuff like that. So when it comes to rolling out my kits or promoting the kits that I've done, you're going to keep seeing the same 4 or 5 kits, and it must get really boring. So I do try to you know, speed things up and get some work out for you guys. Plans moving forward, I can't really say. I mean, I've mentioned it before, the heavy arms is going to be after the wing car, so I'll be stripping this fella down soon. I know my name is building this currently on stream. It's a good kit, it's a bit of fun, and bits do fall off unfortunately, but on painting, dab of glue, they won't fall off again. But it's a good kit, it's a lot of fun, and it's going to be an interesting paint project, because there's loads of little missile details to get painted. But like I say, that's the next project that's going to come up once I'm happy with the wing moving forward. Snap building a few other kits that I've got my eye on in future. I'm probably thinking about buying the Hobby Zone Avalanche Exia from AliExpress. Oh, pardon me. Well, it's probably my first. It will be my first third-party kit. But it looks good, so I thought I'd get it in hand and give it a go. And also Gundam Gateway have followed me on Twitter, and they've made their presence known to me. I didn't know they existed. They've only been you know, trading for a year or so they're a relatively small new company, so I'll be keen on supporting them, especially considering they're in the UK. So I'll put a link with all the other links to the stores I recommend in the description below, and help them out. Go check them out. If you're in the UK, obviously you've got Frontline, Hobby Frontline, and Gundam Mad, as well as probably some others. Oh yeah, Kurabo. There's probably some others that I don't know about, but by all means check them out, and yeah, do them solid. what else is there? I think that's about it. I'm not going to bore you to tears. I'm going to add this in the wing playlist because you know there's hardly anything in there. So I was going to do a dedicated thank you video, but like always, it's organic. I just speak in my mind and words. So I'll leave it now and I'll crack on with this. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. But if you got this far, really appreciate it. Give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Let me know how I'm doing. Consider sharing, subscribing. It all helps out. And yeah. YouTube's algorithm. We've got to crack it. We've got to crack it, guys. Anyway, take care. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.